Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is separating letter 1 to 4. Okay students, let's see the board. Class Junior 1, Subject Islam, Topic Separating Letter 1 to 4, Lecture number 26, SW number 25, Term Annual 21, and today's date. So students, let's start our today's topic. And our today's topic is separating letter. Here there are 4 words. We have to separate the letters from this word. Number 1, Bakhala. Here ba plus kha plus lam. Bakhala. Number 2, Qatala. There are 3 letters. We have to separate them. So Qaf, Ta, and Lam. Number 3, Ja'ala. There are 3 letters in this word. So at first, Jim, Ain, and Lam. Number 4, Kasaba. There are 3 words there are 3 letters in this word. Kaf, Sin, and Ba. So dear students, I repeat. Number 1, Bakhala. In this word there are 3 letters, Ba plus Kha plus Lam. Number 2, Qatala. In this word there are also 3 letters, Qaf, Ta, and Lam. Number 3, there are also 3 letters in Ja'ala, Jim plus Ain plus Lam. Number 4, Kasaba. There are also 3 letters in this word, Kaf, Sin, and Ba. Now SW topic, and SW topic will be same, that means 1 to 4. Okay students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home, abide by your parents, stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.